Hi friends, welcome to another awesome video. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Firefox onto your PC. First, open the Microsoft Edge which comes by default onto your PC. Now, search for the Firefox and hit enter. Now open this site. This is the official site for downloading the Firefox. The link is in the description so that you can directly download from there. Now click on this download Firefox button. The download will start automatically when you click on that. Now this pop-up will open up and you have to click on this run button. Now the download of Firefox is completed and you can see this pop-up and click on that. Then click on this S button to start the installation of the Firefox. Now the installation is completed and Firefox will open up. You can start a quick setup of this and enjoy the browsing in Firefox. Now you can see that Firefox icon is added to your desktop. Now I will show you how to add this icon to your taskbar. Right click on this icon and click on this pin to taskbar button. Now you can see that it is added to your taskbar. It's time to make Firefox as your default browser rather than the Microsoft Edge. Now click on the start button, go to settings, click on the apps, now go to default apps, scroll down and select on this Microsoft Edge and choose Firefox. That's all. From now onwards, Firefox is your default browsing app rather than the Microsoft Edge. That's all friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, share and comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.